Hi, I'm Jason Wilk with Echo Incorporated, and in this video we'll be showing you how to install a 90122Y YouCan maintenance tune-up kit on this PB770H backpack blower. Before we get started, we want to make sure we have safety glasses, a piece of wire we can bend into the shape of a hook for pulling out the fuel filter inside the fuel tank, a 19mm spark plug wrench, and of course the YouCan maintenance tune-up kit. Before removing the air filter cover, we want to make sure the choke lever's in the cold start or closed position. And we also want to make sure our ignition switch is in the stop or off position. To replace the air filter, we're going to loosen the top and the bottom air filter cover knobs. Go ahead and pull out the pre-filter grid, the pre-filter, and we can go ahead and pull out the main air filter. Next, we'll install the new air filter. We'll reinstall the pre-filter into the cover. Reinstall the pre-filter cover grate. And then reinstall the cover onto the engine. To replace the fuel filter, we'll loosen the fuel cap, pull the fuel cap tether out of the tank, then using our piece of wire that we bent into the shape of a hook, we'll reach down into the tank, grab a hold of our fuel line, and pull that out. And then just note there is a fuel line clip on the end of this fuel line, so we just want to hold that in place as we pull out the old filter and make sure it gets reinstalled when we install the new filter. Then we can go ahead and take the fuel filter and fuel line, push it back into the tank, reinstall our fuel cap tether, and tighten our fuel cap. To replace the spark plug, we'll go ahead and pull off the access cover. We'll go ahead and disconnect the spark plug boot from the top of the spark plug. And then using a 19mm spark plug wrench, we'll loosen the spark plug from the engine. With the old plug removed, we can install the new plug. We'll just get the thread started first with our fingers. Then we'll come back and tighten the spark plug fully into the engine with our 19mm spark plug wrench. And we can go ahead and reconnect the spark plug boot. And then reattach the access cover. This concludes the installation of the 90122Y YouCan maintenance tune-up kit on this PB770 backpack blower. Thanks for watching, and be sure to tune in for additional YouCan installation videos.